Butter chicken, also known as Murgh Makhani, is one of the most popular Indian dishes loved worldwide. Juicy chicken pieces simmered in a rich, creamy, tomato-based gravy, flavoured with butter, cream, and aromatic spices. This recipe is the perfect balance of savoury, tangy, and slightly sweet. Whether you're pairing it with naan, roti, or basmati rice, this dish is sure to impress family and friends. Cook for. You spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for. You presents butter chicken. Step 1. Marination. Takes 500 grams boneless chicken. Add salt to taste. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Add 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Combine well. Set aside for 10 minutes. In another bowl, take 2 tablespoons oil, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder. Combine well. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons hung curd, half teaspoon coriander cumin powder. Combine well. Add this paste into the chicken marination. Mix well. Leave aside for 30 minutes. Step 2. Preparing makhani gravy. Take 2 teaspoons butter. Add 2 teaspoons oil so butter doesn't burn. Add whole spices mentioned on the screen. Roast well. Add 2 onions chopped. Sauté well. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Fry well until the rawness goes away. Add 3 large tomatoes. Cook till the tomatoes are mushy. Add 12 to 15 cashews. Sauté well. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Add 1½ cup water. Cover and cook till gravy is dry, or cook till tomatoes are mushy. Add 2 green chilies. Let it cool down completely. Blend it to a thick paste. Our gravy paste is ready. Pour the paste into the strainer. Add some water in the mixer jar and pour into the paste. Strain the finer paste, optional. Our gravy puree is ready. Step 3. Making butter chicken gravy. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons butter. Add 3 green chilies. Add 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Now add blended puree in it. Add orange food colour, mix in water optional. Add half teaspoon coriander cumin powder, 2 tablespoons Kashmiri chili powder, 1 to 2 pinches turmeric, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon dried fenugreek leaves. Mix well. Simmer 3 to 4 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon ketchup, sugar or honey. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Step 4. Fry chicken tikka pieces. Drizzle some oil in the griddle pan. Add chicken tikka pieces. Fry on high flame for 3 minutes, then cook on medium till chicken fully tender. Flip the sides. Cook from these sides too. Remove it when they're done. Step 5. Add tikka pieces in gravy. Add half teaspoon garam masala. Two-thirds cup cream. Add chicken tikka pieces. Add dry fenugreek leaves. Combine well. Let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. Give it a cold smoke. Aromatic butter chicken is ready to serve. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.